In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to hide your Telegram account from people in your contact list. Hiding your Telegram account from people in your contacts list is important for maintaining privacy as it prevents automatic discovery by those who have your number. It allows you to control who can see or contact you on the platform. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. On the contacts page, these are the people you have in your contacts. To stop them from viewing your Telegram account, simply head to your settings. Select on Privacy and Security. You will then scroll down onto the very last option of Data Settings. You will want to tap right here on Delete Synced Contacts. This removes your contacts from the Telegram servers. Now get back and select on Phone Number. It's in the section of Privacy. On Who can see your phone number, mark on Nobody. This hides your phone number from people in your contacts list. Now if someone in your contacts list searches for you on Telegram, they won't find you. And if you also search for them in the contacts section on Telegram, you won't see them. This basically prevents unwanted interactions and maintain a clear separation between personal and professional life. That's how easy it is to hide your Telegram account from people in your contacts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.